They eat those little tiny things we saw. Might be why they have the guppies in here, just to feed these guys.
Yeah.
He's eating. He's fishing. So beautiful. This camera is a lot better than the other one. A lot clearer. Let me see. But we've got the chalice. Oh yeah. Dang, these guys were mad the lady hooked him up. That thing's bigger than his head. It's amazing.
Let's just be quiet a little bit. I'm gonna take a video. They're so cute.
I like the red head. See that? There's one right here. This phone's the camera, so let's see if that's true or not.
Look at this.